How to apply flight credits during booking on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines website. Here, add your trip type. Then add your departure location, your arrival location. Then add departure time, departure date, and after that, if you're in this page, select the ticket you want, press on continue at the bottom. After you've done that, you'll find payment option or fully detailed option. You can scroll through it. Here, search where you can apply your flight credits. In my location, it is not available, but you'll find it somewhere in here. You can simply click on it and apply your flight credits. And according to that, you'll find your total statement. And after that, you can add all your information and continue to book. This is how to apply flight credits during booking on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.